17 weeks, which are divided into 3 phases. Week 1 to week 7 is going to be the first phase, week 8 to week 14 is going to be the second phase, and week 15, 16, 17 are going to be the third phase of Project Udan.
And our session will be divided into 3 parts this time: Basic English, Manthan, and Rainbow, each of 40-minute duration. In the week 1, we will have an introduction as well as an initial assessment to know the prior knowledge of our kids.
Second, we'll have based on our modules culture session in Manthan, and carrying it forward rainbow based on the activities which we taught kids in Manthan session. For example, dance or patriotic song, prepare a globe, etc.
In the week 4th, we will have science as our topic, and in the rainbow session, we will have science projects like windmill, activity on electricity or magnetism, etc. In the week 6 and 7, we will have environment in the Manthan session, and this time during our rainbow session, we will have a tree plantation campaign by the name of Tree My Friend, where our children will be taking care of particular saplings which they will plant.
In week 8, we'll be replacing basic English with mid assessment, which is important to assess at if the kids are well aware of what they have been taught in the last 7 weeks or not. Later, we'll have literature in Manthan, and then rainbow session. We'll be preparing kids with recitals and skits.
So what we have done is, for these kids, the reason that we have kept literature is at the end, so that we get time to prepare for skits which has to be presented on the day of presentation. On the week 10th, we will have on the week 10th and 11th we will have art and craft, following the weeks we will be having health and hygiene. On the week 14, we will be having sports, and in the rainbow session, we will have some on field activities. The next week, we will begin with our sports day, where there will be competition between classes on various sports like cricket. On the week 16, we will have final assessment on what the kids have learned in the entire project.
On week 17, we'll be having a presentation day where kids will showcase their activities, whatever they have learned during the Project Udan, and a prize distribution ceremony will be held for the kids.